Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we discussed about content projection in Angular, which enables us to reuse some parts of one component to another component. In this video, we are going to talk about decorators in Angular and how they work. So basically, decorators are functions that are used to add metadata to classes, functions, parameters or properties, etc. All the decorators inside our Angular application start with the add symbol and followed by the target object they are applied to. There are many commonly used decorators inside our Angular application. Like here, if we go to the app.component.ts file, we have a component decorator. The component decorator tells Angular that this is a Angular component having the configuration properties like the selector, which is name of the component, the template URL, which is the URL for the HTML file of that component, the style URLs array, which is configuration file for the CSS files which are used inside the application for that component. Now the decorators are also present in the directives inside our Angular application. Like here we have a directive decorator which is used to tell Angular that this is a directive which will be used inside the application. And inside here it has a property called selector, which is the name of the directive. The decorators are also present inside the app.module.ts file, which is the ng module. The ng module decorator tells Angular that this is a module having configuration properties like the declarations array, in which we register those components that we want to use inside our Angular application. The imports array, which is used to import third-party libraries, are also the modules of Angular. The providers array, which is used to register the services that we create inside our Angular application. And lastly, the bootstrap, which is to register those components that we want to render first on our web browser. Now there are many more decorators inside our Angular application. Like we have input decorator, which is used to send data from parent component to the child component. At the rate output decorator, which is used to send the data from the child component to the parent component, and also the properties that will be used from the child component to the parent component. The host listener decorator, which is used to listen to the host events, and much more. There are like other also like view child, others, and many more, which will be discussed in our upcoming video lectures. So in this video we discussed how directives work and what they are. In the next video we will cover the @input decorator and how it works inside our Angular application to send data from parent component to the child component.